What's up, guys? We're on the road again, heading to the Uinta Mountains. We're going to one of my favorite areas where I've had some really good luck fishing. And I got my buddy Alex with me and Carly here working the camera right now. We're still about 20 minutes out, but we should get there with a little bit of daylight left. So we're gonna try to pop up camp quickly and see if I can get into some fish tonight. But if not, we got all tomorrow and the next day. So we made it. This is camp. We couldn't find any water nearby that wasn't packed out. So we're just gonna make do for the night, and first thing in the morning we're gonna hit the road again, or hit the trail again, and spend the day fishing and looking for a better campsite.
So Meek's cabin's right before Curtis's spot. Like, we could have gone
Exploring around. Sometimes you find awesome spots to explore.
but I think
This is home for the night, so we're just gonna chill out, have a fire, get some dinner in us, enjoy being outside. So we finally found camp. Got a nice flat spot, and I'll show you. Right by the river. So we're gonna get settled in with camp, get our rods rigged up, and it's time to go fishing, finally. So we were able to catch a couple more little brookies, but the further up the river we went, it just kept getting skinnier and faster and wasn't looking like it was gonna hold many fish. So gonna have a quick lunch and hit the main river and see if we can do any better.
pretty good.
Is that on?
Yeah. So I got a little excited and already ate one, but here's the enchiladas, or I guess tacos. It's delicious.